It's a rest of the world spec Defender. Oh, this seat is not great. Oh, if only I could just start the engine and take off. Wouldn't that be amazing? Yeah, this seat is kind of squeaks a bit. I think it's quite. No, it's quite. It's not that far back actually. It's probably further forward than I'd have it in the UK. Clutches. Wow. That clutch is very stiff. Very stiff. I can see my reflection. What a shiny. Oh god, I want one of these so bad. I want one of these so bad. They just look the biz. Absolutely the biz. Let's have a look around. No radio. Holding up. It's holding up. That's some of the matting. Just feels so natural being in a Land Rover in left-hand drive. To me, I prefer it actually because I prefer changing with the right hand on the gear stick, and it's a lot easier to lean out the door and lean like this. And predominantly as well, I like driving with my right hand on the steering wheel, so it's a lot easier to just sort of slouch out the side like that and drive. Whereas the other way around, I like driving with my right hand, but you're a bit more like squeezed up against the edge. Doesn't feel so right driving with the left hand. But that's just because I'm right-handed. But certainly this is the way I started driving Defenders, and God, it feels great. It feels great. I'll have to get my left-hand drive one back on the road. I really want it back on the road. It's been off the road. I haven't driven it on the road for such a long time. But oh God, if only, if only, if only. So this is pretty much identical, other than the few bits here. Pretty much identical to the hardtop I had in Belize. A few more miles on this one now, or kilometres on this one now. This one, it's got this kind of custom roll cage bar. My one had a full internal, external roll cage. But other than that, the spec is pretty much the same. Seats in the back and windows on the side. This one is what's this one? This is a 2004 model, and my other one was 2002 model. So the real difference in the parts is the rear axle. Other than that, this is actually identical. And the cubby box. This one's got a 30 middle seat, but my other one had a cubby box. One of the big changes of 2004, you might just be able to see this. Black door cards. That happened in 2004. Whereas before that, you've got grey door cards. So this was one of the things I used to think about. This, I think, has had another steering wheel product because it's one of the fat steering wheels. That's the thing I used to notice from jumping between the 97 and the 2002 Defenders in Belize. It had a fat steering wheel, though this one is very polished, very similar, and this is very similar to the 97 I got at home. It's I think it's had another steering wheel put onto it. But strangely enough, it's actually dead centre. Yeah, memories. There we go.